In this video, I will show you how to install HANA Studio on Windows OS. Now go to the downloaded folder, click on the HANA DB Studio setup.exe. I have already installed HANA Studio, that's why it's so. Otherwise it's so only install new SAP HANA Studio. Now click on next. It will take time. Okay. It show the select the feature of the install HANA Studio. Now click on next. Now click on install. After review and installing C++ runtime, studio directory and client installer in this page. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes. So I wait. Okay, I pause the video here. Now we can check the almost we are finished it. Have successfully installed HANA Studio. Thank you for watching this video.